assumption right from the beginning of the third wave till as on today, 29-30 days, the percentage is same. Of the 90 people who have died till yesterday, or maybe on till 23rd, 45 haven't taken the dose. On an average, 50% haven't taken the dose. That is very sad. At one point of time, we say we have vaccinated, near 100% all the people, and at the second stage, we have to sadly say that of the total deaths in the third wave, 50% haven't been vaccinated. So if at all something is missing, I feel it is the hesitancy and ignorance on part of the people. And from our side, I feel we should do little more IEC. I want you to be the partners in doing that IEC. Each media, each newspaper, everywhere the message should go that it is only the vaccine which can protect us. Vaccination can protect you from getting hospitalizations, deaths and complications. That is the reason why almost I believe clinically, subclinically, all Goa is infected. Every alternate person you ask, whether you had fever, cough, sore throat, they will say yes. In spite of that, very little hospitalization. Last time, काय जायना 2 दिवस खोकली थंडी येता म्हणून लोक घराकडे रावपाक लागल्यात. They are not even testing themselves. आणि हातूंतलेच थोडे लोक will reach the hospital. Many of them will survive, some of them will succumb to death. So this is the overall picture.